Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.28. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend upwards. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, which may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is $9.29, a level that may present a second chance to make significant gains. According to fan theory, $12.58 will be the next possible trend top level, serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 26.83% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 54.87% to negative 30.18%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 50.06%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 22.56% to 324.49% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.94 and $41.35. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline: a very strong day for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price on Thursday. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price gained 6.22% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, rising from $9.17 to $9.74. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.08%, with a day low of $9.30 and a day high of $9.87. Over the last 2 weeks, the price has seen a 3.84% gain. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, signaling a positive technical trend, with 14 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 30 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $295,660,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest was $3.82. Currently, the price stands 61.01%, or $15.24, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Today, SoundHound AI Inc., trading under the symbol SOUN, is confronting a challenging landscape, as multiple class action lawsuits have been filed against the company, citing violations of securities law. These lawsuits have been initiated on behalf of investors who suffered losses from May 2024 to March 2025, potentially leading to considerable legal expenses and affecting investor sentiment regarding the stock. Despite announcing an impressive first-quarter revenue growth of 151%, totaling $29,100,000, the company's stock has been on a downward path. This contrast emphasizes a widespread skepticism in the market. Investors are encouraged to take action, with several law firms urging them to secure legal counsel before approaching deadlines associated with these lawsuits. In the short term, the increased risk of litigation could apply downward pressure on SOUN's stock price, as uncertainty often discourages investment. Should the lawsuits result in settlements or unfavorable rulings, this could further undermine investor confidence and lead to more significant financial repercussions for the company. Looking ahead, while the remarkable revenue performance suggests strong operational momentum, the long-term outlook will heavily depend on how SoundHound addresses these legal challenges. Successfully resolving the concerns raised in these lawsuits and sustaining growth could help stabilize investor confidence over time. However, until these issues are settled, the stock may continue to experience volatility in the market. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush rated SOUN as a buy with a hold recommendation. Again, on the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright gave SOUN a buy rating accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform with a hold recommendation. On that same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated SOUN as overweight and recommended an upgrade. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio and the price-to-book ratio, both receiving a strong sell designation. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Incorporated stock receives buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $9.30 and $8.77. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and so far, the stock has not fallen from that point. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 45 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. identifies support from accumulated volume at $9.72. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.566 between its high and low, which equates to 6.08%. Over the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 4.9%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, there's the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, if a company consistently reports negative PE ratios, it may suggest insufficient profitability and pose potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.07. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI stands at $10.82. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.72. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, HOM James Ming conducted an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, HOM James Ming conducted an insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kavan conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kavan conducted an insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Sharon Nitesh conducted an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.696. Overall, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.40, reflecting a decline of 3.54%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to its high risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top established 8 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs, and a breakout from the declining trend suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that prices around the breakout point will indicate particularly favorable levels. Furthermore, we think that the current level serves as a solid buying opportunity for the short term. Our analysis has upgraded the stock's rating since the last evaluation, moving it from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we expect SoundHound AI to open lower by approximately 10 cents and begin trading at $9.64. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.